visited and museum in Oslo with my nieces. Morning, guys. That is Sunday today, guys. So now my husband driving to train station, and we're going to take the train to Oslo. And this is take a look museum there. That is the train, guys. All the museum is free. So take a look the views, guys. Later.
Nye reisende.
Oslo, guys. Oslo. I'm here in Rami Oslo station, guys. We meet my niece here, guys. Ito yung train station, guys. Ito mo kita lang. That is it. Now in Oslo, guys. Nag-snow naman dito sa Oslo, guys. Take a look the views here, guys. Yun, nandyan yung dalawa, guys. Nag-scrub lang, guys. We are here in Ramin, guys. Ano? Oslo, guys. Punta kami, sasakay kami ng papuntang. Where are going? Akala ko, guys, sa Ramin lang ang mag-snow, pati pala dito sa Oslo, guys. Take a look ang views, guys. That is it. Oh. That is Oslo City, guys. Take a look here. Here we are, Oslo City. I meet all my nieces in Oslo to visit in museum in Oslo, guys. Dahil libre yung araw na ito, guys, and libre po in transportation. So this is the inside and museum. It's so amazing and a beautiful views inside. It's a long ago this museum already. So this is the guy already that is Kontiki Museum, guys. It's so amazing. And it is so maano ka, guys, maamis mo talaga ang views na sa loob, guys, dahil yung talagang yung old gawa sa kahoy na tong boat na ito, guys. Talagang nag-enjoy ako talaga itong pumasok, guys. Lalo na yung mga pamangkin ko, talagang atat na atat lang tumitingin sa palibot nito. Marami akong pamangkin dito kaya nagsabayan kami lang pumasok. Ito yung boat nila ng dating panahon, guys. So this is it, guys. So we are happy, guys, because we are living in 25 years in Norway. This is the first time I go inside the museum in Oslo dahil may libre sila ng isang araw na kaibang-ibang museum, kaya free ito, guys. So nakatipid rin kami dahil mahal yung entrance fee dito, guys. So ito yung Kontiki na museum, guys. It's so amazing and beautiful. And this is also another museum dahil maraming museum sa Oslo. Kaya pumasok kami sa iba-ibang museum sa medyo magkalapit lang sila nga museum, guys, napasukan namin. So that is time to relax, guys, dahil pagod na pagod kami, guys. And then tuloy naman din kami lakad, guys, papunta naman sa ibang museum, guys. Ganyan talaga kami. Instead sasakay kaming bus at ito na, guys, nagsiksika na kami, guys, doing the and then we are arrived in the museum, another museum. Kasi pag maghintay pa kaming bus, nagsiksikan yung bus dahil maraming mga tao dahil libre nga eh. So nandito na rin kami sa loob ng ibang museum, guys. Klase-klase itong mga gamit ng pangbahay. Nakaano na siya, guys, nilagay ka na siya sa sa glass na cup. And then pwede ka lang tumingin sa palibot na yan, guys. Kaya nag-enjoy ako ng tumuha ng mga video dahil ito lang ang first time ako nakapasok dyan, guys. Dahil mahal dito yung museum, ang entrance fee. Pero maamis ka talaga dyan pag nasa kaloob ka, guys. Actually, nag-enjoy kami, guys. Of course, may baon na rin kami. So, ito naman guys, yung my old house dito guys, yung 1949 or 1917 house guys na made up sa kahoy, gawa sa kahoy guys, na hindi mo maintindihan kung paano sila nabubuhay or paano nila na ang buhay na dito na malamig, tapos yung bahay nila gawa lang ng kahoy na walang isolation, but this is the that is the entrance guy. So at ito na guys yung bahay nila noon guys, hindi mo maintindihan po paano nila nabubuhay sila dito, paano nila na survive ng may minus temperature. Ay, nako, dyan lang ko na-amiss nito guys. Pinipreserve nila in how many years nito? Mga 1940 or 1917, I don't know. But this is a beautiful, at mafe-feel mo talaga paano nila nabuhay sila sa ganitong sitwasyon na malamig dito sa Norway guys. But this is carry on lang guys. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagpaano namin palibot nito dahil na-enjoy kami dahil marami talagang old na bahay. At ito yung pamangkin ko guys. And this is also guys, na-miss ko itong bahay na ito guys. Diyos ko, na hindi ko maintindihan pa paano nila nakatira dyan, pa paano nila nabubuhay sa malamig na panahon. At ito na yung mga pamangkin ko guys. Go lang guys. And then this is it. Nag-enjoy sila. At this is the, at ito nagkumuha kami ng picture kaunti. At ito naman guys, yung mga dahon dito, nalalagas na dahil na nagpa-winter na. At ito yung pamangkin na pakuha ng picture. At this is it. Last, sige na, tuloy-tuloy lang. Yes. And this is it. At dito muna kami, break time guys. Dahil pagod na kami guys, kumakain kami sa baon namin. And then, tuloy naman din kami guys. Papunta kami sa bus station para sumakay naman kaming bus. Ay, hindi pala ito. Mayroon pala kami, pumasok pa kami ng ibang, ibang museum na din. Ito na guys. Grabe, and the personal na yan guys, ang ganda talagang views na yan guys. Sa totoo lang, maamis ka talaga. Mid-time, ang bawat museum, kailangan talaga ka may 3 hours, 4 hours. Kaya kami nagmamadali kasi gusto namin na lahat mapasukan namin museum para matingnan namin dahil libre ito, pero hindi namin nakaya. 5 lang na klaseng museum ang napasukan namin dahil grabe, sa bawat museum talaga mo take time ka, tingin ng tingin, tingnan mo palibot, tingnan mo how many years niya yan, preserve dyan. It's amazing. Ito naman yan guys. Ano ba yan guys? That is it. Now, ito na guys, naghintay na kaming bus. Habang kami naghihintay ng bus, kumakain kaming a little bit extra food dahil nagagutom na kami guys. It's almost 5 o'clock na din guys. At ito pa rin din, naghintay pa kami sa bus dahil may bus dumating. Hindi nag-stop dahil punong-puno ng pasahero. At eating time sa McDonald's guys bago kami mag-uwian bawat isa. So this is it guys. And nagpunta muna kami sa Oslo Winterland. That is it. Ito na yung Oslo Winter guys. Amiss ko. Ganda talaga yung views na yan sa loob na yan guys. Malamig lang siya talaga sa totoo lang. And then, yung pamangkin, nakita nila yung apple na with chocolate at nag-order na sila. Ito na guys. And see, this is